It was some sort of exciting price prediction that's going to go viral or something.
Yeah, okay. So very, very short term. I think it's possible we're following a similar like pattern or fractal pattern to what we saw in like March of last year, which is kind of weird because if we wait like 2 or 3 weeks, it will almost be exactly like the same time as what we took off last year. And I'm talking about that run from where were we, about 40 cent to like 190-ish top last year. So we could be looking at a similar sort of move like that this time. But what you've got to think is if you break that previous resistance at like 190, then there's nothing really holding us back. And if we follow that bars pattern, it follows pretty well because what happens is it pops out above 190 and goes to about 220, and then it comes down, retests the like 130, 140 region that we found a lot of resistance at. Then we push back up above like a trend line that's been from the previous all-time high down above the 190, and it settles on top of that before the next leg up, which also completes like a cup and handle pattern, which will take us out to like 450. And that's obviously above all-time highs. And from there, guys, it's like moon closer on and rocket emojis are out. Like we are waiting to see what's happening next. If we can get this is what I really would like. And that takes us to like April, May, by the way, with this explosion. So if we can get out to there without a settlement, and then we see some positive settlement, if we can like have an alt season, organic price action, we follow the rest of the market. Let's say we take the same sort of percentage gains as other things, or we start to see the XRP bull run like we've seen on the previous two alt seasons, averaging like a 1500-ish%. If we start to see that before a settlement arises and we're out above all-time highs, I don't even know where I can predict like price action to go there. We've got all the catalysts coming after that, like the relisting. You got indexes that we wanted to buy up XRP. We've already had Ripple buying it off the secondary exchanges. There'll probably be some sort of delay if they even are allowed to sell back into secondary exchanges. Like we've got everything like coming for like a perfect storm.